So Pete's is asking, or Pete's is clarifying on his previous question, just mean that the performance difference between the foundational models are getting smaller due to diminishing returns. Yeah, but there's a lot more models than just GPTs and Claude and LLMs and stuff, right? I mean, I'm referring to all kinds of other data science development, right? Look, guys, not all data science is LLMs and AI, and not even all data science is neural networks, right? You're going to be dealing with all kinds of different problems when you get into the business, right? And not every one of them is going to require a fancy solution. I mean, guess what? Regression methods still solve a lot of business problems, right? I mean, if you guys don't think that you're going to just go straight from school to working on some massive LLM. Not every business is ready for that. You're going to be still using a lot of like regression methods and XGBoosting and fairly small, fairly modest neural networks. That can solve a lot of business problems that you're going to be tasked with, right? So yeah, I mean, I guess there are some diminishing returns if you're only looking at LLMs, but for other stuff that you're going to be working on, there's going to be a million ways for you to still use the scientific approach and still be developing models in a very methodical way, right? So keep that in mind, Pete.